Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to do the unboxing of Nespresso capsule that I have purchased online. So I purchased this one together with a free gift because I received an email that if I order online and then I will be receiving a free gift. So let's do the unboxing. Go with the first box. So this is the first box. Alright, so I ordered again travel around the world capsule. So nothing inside, but you will see here the travel around the world capsules. So it's 100 pieces. Then I think this is the free gifts from Nespresso.com. So all you have to do is to register from Nespresso, and then you will get an email that you have a free gifts from them. So this is what I choose. So I have another 2 cappuccino cups. So 2 cups for cappuccino and also a saucer. So that would be the free gifts from Nespresso. And I also ordered or request for a plastic reuse. This one is for the capsules. Once you're done, so all you have to do is to put all the capsule here and then bring it back to the Nespresso store for them to do the recycling. So let's unbox the travel around the world capsule. So I already tried a lot of the capsules or flavors of Nespresso coffee, but my most favorite I think would be my favorite would be all those with the country names, because they are very strong taste of coffee. So I love the Colombia. Personally, love the Colombia, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Nicaragua. That would be my favorite flavor, and I guess would be the India. So this is my top 5. All the countries would be, I really love the flavor, and the rest would be here. So total of 100 capsule of Nespresso. So 10 each. So I really like to drink coffee. So from my previous blog, I already do my try how to do or my unboxing of the Cities coffee machine. But right now, because I think I only left a few capsules, that's why I order online, and this would be my unboxing of my Nespresso capsule. And I think I still have few, so I don't want this one to be empty. That's why I order additional. So I really love this Nespresso box so that I can choose um, whatever intensity of coffee I want for the day. So you can choose from here. So I already missing two capsules. I always wanted this one to be full. That's why I order more capsule for this. So that would be my unboxing for my Nespresso capsules that I have ordered online because of the circuit breaker right now. So you cannot go somewhere else. The malls are closed also, and that's why I order online. All you have to do is to go to the Nespresso.com and you can see whatever you want to order. You can buy machines, you can also buy coffees, or you can also buy accessories. And that's all. I think that will be my unboxing. And stay healthy, stay safe, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone. Bye guys.